Hi and welcome back to my channel. So here I take the challenge 100 machine, which is we have a new machine uh, called Twilight, and it's running on a VM virtual box. And here is my Kali Linux. Here is my Kali Linux, and we have the machine which is vulnerable, and so we have the machine is IP address is 104. This is our vulnerable machines, and 103 is our Kali Linux, which we have to use for exploits, run the exploits. Here is the I scan the machine with using a rush scan, and wait a minute. No, take some changes here. Okay, so fine. So we have the machine is here is a Twilight, and here is the which there is a many ports is open 22 25 80 139 2121 3306 is a MySQL port is open as, and port 880 HTTP proxy is open. So what we can do first is we have to run this IP address on our browser, where we default run the port 80 on a browser first. This is a Chromium browser which we can run the port. Okay, first close this. This is not copy this and paste it here. IP address. Here is the welcome gallery database. Here is the multiple pictures will be stored within a database. Check the current pictures. Go to the pictures. There is no MySQL syntax, and changing the ID, there is nothing is here. 3, there is nothing is here. So back and change the language, and here is the nothing is here. So go back and copy this, and we run the dir booster on this, and hit enter, finding the some directories for exploiting these vulnerabilities. So here is the gallery is the directory, so we can go to the gallery. So here is some max image uploaders file, chosen file. We can choose a file. We can exploit with the directories. Sorry, file is a PHP, the reverse shell.php. So here is the reverse shell.php. Select this file and upload. So here is a restriction about the .extension file. So here is the only JPG images are allowed. So first clear this, and ls command, and here I have to change the extensions of rev.php. I have changed the rev.php.jpeg file. So upload this file first. Find the file. Here is the file. Select this file and uploading this file with using the bubshoot. Why using the bubshoot? Bubshoot using for intercept the request between the browser and server. So upload this, click this button, upload, and we have the request. So here is the request, which is this is the file, and I have put my Kali Linux IP address for the reverse shell, and 123 is the port number is running on the machine which we have received the machines, and here is the IP address, which is file name, which is we can change the file name, and only rev.php uploaded. So this vulnerability is called like we have the file execution, file command injections, which we use for the file upload vulnerabilities. This vulnerability is only on a front end, which we can not upload a file in a front end, but we can intercept the request and edit the file name and upload this file. So first we would do clear this netcat command run on the 1234 and sending this request. Here is the response of this request. Here 200 is okay. So now what we can do, here is the rev.php, our file name. You can save in your mind, and max image uploaders and rev.php was stored, normal underscore rev.php is stored. So go to the terminal and open the new tab. First we rotate this terminal and go to this directory, which is our file was uploaded, and hit enter. So here is the connections between our machines and the vulnerable machines. And here is the get dev.php. Host is 104, user agent is occurred, and request completed is sent off. So here is our bash shell. So we first trying to the Python 3 -c import /bin/bash. And that we have a bash shell. First clear this. Okay, so TR environment is not set. So next what we do the cat /etc/password file. Opening the password file. Here is the password is a root, so we can su root. First su root, we type the root, and there is the authentication failure. So what we can do, we do the open SSL password, and here is the password, which we can copy this first and write it the echo, and we type the path, which is my name, and paste it here. 0 root /bin/bash and double comma. So here is the same, I type this command and into the /etc/password. Okay, so we take some mistakes here. Copy this, paste it here. Password and hit enter. So here is the rooted into the password, and we choose the path and hit enter. So there is no users exist. Okay, so ls command. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. So we take the cat slash c slash password. We find here. Here is the. Okay. So su is a user path does not exist. So what we do is the path does not exist. So we type the su root, the root. Okay. We have some mistakes here, which we find the mistakes. Here is the mistake is okay. Here is the mistakes, which we have a mistakes. Copy first this. Okay. Copy this first. Copy, and there is a mistake is which is here. Okay, we it's not back. There is the root bin slash bash and slash password, and we again check this is right root. Okay, so this is right, and we take a su path, and we have it root, and we are rooted. Okay, so ls cd slash root, ls get root.txt, which is here is the final flag is here. Thanks for playing, and that's it about this video. And we have the file uploading vulnerabilities, and we have exploited these vulnerabilities. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.